Hello and welcome. Andrew is here, and this is just a short video answering the question what I got today from one of my group members. Okay, uh, so hello Andrew, I have a problem. Low sales, and you can see the sales stats here. 60 days total and less than 2,000 euro. Okay, so as we can see here, he have active listings, 1,700 active listings in the last 60 days and sold 102. Unsold is right there. I started at September 2017 with Infini. 69 positive feedbacks, 100%. 100%, this I would say is the only good thing here. All right. So let's say now is March. What we got here? I want you guys to look on this and pay attention what I will share with you. This is really bad situation here, and eBay doesn't like that as much as I don't like that. Okay, I will explain in details why. First of all, September 2000. What is September? October, November, December, January, February, March, which means 6-7 months already. Okay, in a 7 months, 69 feedbacks at the 7 month. This is below average actually. If you have only 69 feedbacks in your last half a year, this is below average. With Infini, I will not gonna go details with Infini now, but I not recommend this at all. If you ask me why, look on the results here. Okay, I started September, so half year, more than half year, and only you got, guys. What's the point of the business if you are doing dropshipping already for half year, and after half year you realize that you get less than 1,000 in a sales? Guys, this is in a sales, this is not in a profits. In a sales you got less than 1,000 per month. What's the point of doing dropshipping? Why do you waste your time then? If you can sell during 60 days only 102 items after half year of selling, why do you need to do dropshipping? Go for work. Do affiliates, something like network marketing, I don't know what, Facebook ads. But this is nonsense here. Guys, what I am teaching in my... Listen, no, I will start from another end. You don't make 10,000 by doing certain things, guys. This Infini is all about, I don't know what, I haven't been in there, but I know what it's all about, that you can list. Only list as much as you, just more listings, more money. Wrong, absolutely wrong. You can see here 1,700 listings. eBay doesn't like that you messing up with their eBay page. Because this guy here naturally messing up. It's kind of like just comparing with. I used to compare this with the recycling factory. This is like you're dumping all your stuff to eBay with hope, crossing fingers and hope that something will gonna be sold there. eBay doesn't like that. This is not eBay's strategy. This is not eBay's way of doing business. eBay likes that you have less active here and more sold here. This is what I teach in my trainings. As a maximum, we have 250 active listings, maximum. The best is around 200, between 2 and 250, let's say. Active listings, sold here. With the 250 listings active, you are selling per month, not per 60 days, but per month you have to sell more than 200 per month, per 30 days. 60 days, more than 400 with 200 listings. Okay, this is what I'm teaching in my 799 group. This is what I'm teaching in my alpha course. This is the tactic what I teach you. And why the people get so results here? Because they started up wrong. Because the settings are wrong. What I mean by settings, I have been explaining this already earlier, but the settings, I mean not only shipping and handling time, okay, but the settings is how you get started with your eBay, what you are doing, in which sequence you list items there, because it doesn't matter. There is not so much matters the items you list. You don't have to make. You don't have to find the best-selling product. You don't have to list hundreds and thousands of products there. The meaning is that in which way you do this. In a certain way you have to list the products. That's the key for success. In a certain way to list the products. And it's completely enough with 200, 250 products. If you list in a certain way, you can have here sold items 200 as a minimum. The only question is, do you know how to do that? That's what all about my eBay Dropshipping Academy is. I'm teaching people how to do that. Since from very beginning, you open your eBay account, this is what you have to do first day, this is what you have to do your first week, this is what you have to do your first month to get the results absolutely different than here. Okay, if you want to know more about this and just succeed with your dropshipping, which is totally possible. It's totally doable to make 10,000 per month in a sales here with the 200 listings here, active listings, and with the sold items 200, 300, 400, depends what you are doing. Okay, so this is what I'm teaching you to do with the $7.99 method and in the alpha course. If you have any questions, please text me. I will gonna address them and I will try to answer them. All right, thanks for watching and see you soon again.